see.
I can work with this.
All right, well, here's the kitchen sink. Got a sink.
Little freezer. Looks like the freezer is in there to stay.
Yeah, that's the freezer.
But good news at the 12
volt
refrigerator.
little 12 volt Nova Cool.
What's the matter?
Does it have
What's
a
the
model
matter?
number?
You just want some attention because they're not paying attention to you. Oh,
That's exactly right.
Stay there. Stay there.
It's not big. You put your milk in the door. You put a
He's not coming out yet.
you put a half, a quart of milk, a half gallon of milk in the door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me get back here.
I've learned to appreciate any refrigerator that's not three-way.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah.
I can't stand three-ways. They don't work very well.
So you got the drawers. Pull that drawer out.
Yeah, this thing is full of storage. Look here, you got your trash can, I believe. Looks like, come out. Yep.
Got a trash can, a little drawer.
Okay. And this is
There's another, two more drawers down below.
Yeah. Okay, you can put some skillets in there. And
Another
some
drawer.
skillets in there.
And then what do you have right here? You have the tip out.
Wait a minute, let me close that and move my head. Okay.
And you got a tip out right here.
Yeah. I think over
Plus a
here,
nice, here's a nice silverware drawer.
This is your silverware drawer. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
These would probably be maybe the bottom would be your can. If you brought cans with you, I suppose.
Yeah. Oh, there's, and Spike.
Spoiled.
This is the spoil. Here, walk over. I want to get back here now. Okay, so here's the beds. Control. What that means. And then
Look to open it and bring it down and close.
okay, now I know this folds down. There we go. So you got a fold down sink. Shower head. Some storage up there. Got a fan. Two lights for shower curtain.
Leftover razor blade in the channel down there was getting in the way.
I bet, yeah. We need
Minor
a
issue.
magnet or something.
No, it's a loose heavy
Oh,
thing.
wow. And that cabinet goes all the way through if you need to.
Yeah, well, up to here.
Yeah.
And this is one big long cabinet. Radio. More. Controls. You have a little panel here. Let's slide up windows. Okay.
The cabinets here are wonderful. The bathroom lighting is only controlled out here. It might be nice if the bathroom lighting was also controlled in the bathroom, but I don't believe it is. I love the cabinetry, the hanging bar. You can take out two of the top shelves and still hang things and have room down below. This is very nice. Even though it's a shower, I think the curtain's going to be fine to cover it. There might even be times when you could shower and not even use the curtain, just shower with the water going back towards the toilet. Here's your extra counter space on top of the microwave. So that's all great. And this is a nice van. The kitchen's great. The kitchen's even bigger than it needs to be. I think I can wash my hair in this sink. Having the high faucet. Let me try it out. Put the phone down and see if I can wash my hair. Get my head under here. Yeah, this will work. Here's, it's a hard door, but it works. Okay. So here's another everything controller. I don't know where the water, oh, there's a Truman. That must be the water heater. Cool. We'll learn how to do that. That's okay. This is probably good for your dishes, like your paper plates and cups. I think your canned goods, if you carry canned goods, which I do a few, I think they'll go down in the bottom drawer there. But you got all the room you need in the kitchen. The refrigerator is good. It's a 12 volt. So that's very nice. It's not big. Let's look inside of it again. Okay, you put a half a gallon of milk in the door. And a few things on the top wire shelf. On the next shelf it's glass, and then there's a little vegetable bin, which isn't much. You might be better just taking that thing out. That's ridiculous. But I like this refrigerator because it's a compressor refrigerator. It's not three-way. So this is going to be great. That Nova Cool's fine, and it locks. Simple lock. Simple.
And here we are. This is the back. The generator's running.